There was a story recently in I think it was the New York Times, about small businesses on being unable to, even if they can get a loan, that they can't get it for more than 6 months, 12 months. Very hard to get a term loan.
Right.
Do you see that turning around?
Yeah, I think small business lending is very challenging right now. I know Congress is considering perhaps expanding some of the SBA's guarantees and other measures to try to provide more capacity. I think there's a combination of factors of why small business lending is hurt right now. I think their demand is down. I think a lot of small business lending that can be, for startups, can be a higher risk loan, and so traditionally those have been collateralized with commercial real estate, or some very small businesses use their home equity lines.
Right.
And so those are all, with collateral dissipating in value, those collateralized forms of lending have contracted significantly. Also, small banks typically make, they're about 40% of the small business loans that banks make, or the smaller community banks. They are somewhat constrained now because of their need to work out some of these troubled commercial real estate loans that they have. So there has been a confluence of factors. Even though borrower demand is down, I think there has been a contraction of availability as well. Again, we get back, we tell our banks, though, we want them to lend, we want them to make prudent small business loans. We're telling our examiners to take balanced approaches, but I think this may be an area where some limited expanded role to provide some backing for small business lending may be appropriate. As you know, it's a big driver of jobs, and when you have these kinds of dynamics, I think it is hurting the economy.